least 13 people, including a 13-year-old boy, were wounded Friday in separate shootings on the west, south and far south sides, police said. A 13-year-old boy was critically injured after being shot at 8:27 p.m. on the 5500 block of West Jackson Boulevard in the Austin neighborhood, police said. Two groups of people were involved in a heated argument on the street when a male attacker from one of the groups pulled out a gun and fired shots, said Officer Vijay Zala, a Chicago police spokesman. The boy was standing on the sidewalk away from the altercation when he was hit. He was shot in the lower back and was taken to Mount Sinai Hospital in critical condition, police said. Police believe the teen wasn't the intended target in the shooting. Most recently, around midnight, a 20-year-old man was shot in the left arm, Zala said. The man told the police he was walking in the 1700 block of North Keystone Avenue when he heard shots and realized he was struck. But police have not been able to find any evidence of the shooting in that area. The man was taken to Mount Sinai Hospital, where his condition stabilized, Zala said. About 9:30 p.m., a man in his 20s was wounded in a shooting in the Gage Park neighborhood on the southwest side, Zala said. The man was in the 5000 block of South Talman Avenue when he was shot in the back. He was taken to an area hospital in an unknown condition, Zala said, citing preliminary information. About 10:30 p.m., a 32-year-old man was wounded in a shooting in the Golden Gate neighborhood on the far south side, Zala said. The man was walking outside in the 13,200 block of South St. Lawrence Avenue when two unknown male attackers approached him and fired shots, Zala said. The man was shot in the back, and he was taken to Advocate Christ Medical Center, where his condition stabilized, Zala said. About 8:50 p.m., a 23-year-old man was seriously hurt in the Marquette Park neighborhood on the southwest side, Zala said. The man was sitting in a vehicle in the 6500 block of South Mozart Street when someone fired shots at him, Zala said. He was hit in the back, head and hand. He was taken in serious condition to Advocate Christ Medical Center, Zala said. Earlier, a man was wounded at about 5:27 p.m. in the 4900 block of West Augusta Boulevard in the city's Austin neighborhood on the west side, said Officer Thomas Sweeney, a Chicago police spokesman. The 30-year-old man suffered a graze wound to the leg, and took himself to West Suburban Hospital in Oak Park where his condition was stabilized, Sweeney said. Police believe the shooting was gang-related, he said. About 4 p.m., two people were shot in the 5900 block of South Yale Avenue in the city's Englewood neighborhood, said Sweeney. According to preliminary reports, two 25-year-old men were riding in a car on Yale Avenue when another car approached and someone inside fired several shots, Sweeney said. The men drove to St. Bernard Hospital with multiple gunshot wounds to the body. They both were transferred to Stroger Hospital in critical condition, Sweeney said. Earlier Friday, a 19-year-old man was dropped off at the emergency room of Roseland Community Hospital with a gunshot wound to the chest around 1 p.m., according to Officer Janelle Sedevic, a Chicago police spokeswoman. He was in critical condition, she said. Police said the man was wounded in the 500 block of East 115th Street. 5 minutes before the Roseland neighborhood attack, 4 men were shot in the 4600 block of West End Avenue in the West Garfield neighborhood on the west side, Sedevic said, citing preliminary reports. According to police, 2 victims were taken to Stroger Hospital, and 2 others were taken to Mount Sinai Hospital. A spokesman for the Chicago Fire Department confirmed 4 people were taken to hospitals following a shooting near Maple and Costner Avenues. According to Chicago Fire Media, 2 people were taken to Stroger Hospital, one in serious to critical condition and the other in good condition. One of those victims, age 21, suffered a leg wound and the other, 20, was shot in the torso, Sweeney said. 2 men were taken to Mount Sinai Hospital, one in serious to critical condition and the other in good condition, officials said. One of those victims, 21, was shot in the arm and hand. The other man, 22, suffered a graze wound to the head, Sweeney said.